For life-changing moments, come experience this amazing Mountain Fork River Resort property. Loaded with possibilities, you can choose your course, whether nature hikes, river rafting, kayaking, floating, or fishing. Perhaps sunbathing by the in-ground pool with your favorite story, or sipping coffee as the sun rises is more your style. The possibilities to experience the regenerative power of nature are numerous. The 62 acres affords so many opportunities for enjoyment as either a private getaway with the option of leasing RV spaces for income or to develop the land. Beautiful cabin sites are available overlooking the river. Construct a zip line or a rope course. You could also do outdoor concerts on the banks of the Mountain Fork. Possibilities are limited only by your imagination. The home features 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, an open concept kitchen, living, dining area. The living area boasts a stone fireplace with glass doors that provide walkout to the enormous deck that surrounds the home and protrudes over the river for one-of-a-kind outdoor living experiences. There is a shop with electricity and water and a large storage building with concrete floor and electricity to secure all your recreational toys. There are 26 RV pads in place with water and electricity in a park-like setting with mature hardwoods and the ambiance afforded by being on the riverbank. Your campers can sit in their lawn chairs by the campfire and listen to the river flowing, encompassed by the sounds of nature. For additional information or to schedule a tour of this unique retreat, call World Class Ranches today.